Welcome. This is a time just for you. A time to slow down, breathe, and return to the stillness within. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or heavy with emotion, know this: you are not alone, and you're safe here. Let's take these next few minutes to reconnect with peace. One breath at a time. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit or lie down. Whatever feels best for your body. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Let's do that again. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Letting your shoulders drop, your jaw soften. With each breath, imagine releasing tension. Letting go of the noise in your mind. Letting go of the pressure in your chest. Now, bring your attention to the surface beneath you. Feel the ground supporting you. You don't have to hold everything. You don't have to do anything right now. You are being held, supported, safe. Notice how the breath moves in your body, rising and falling like waves on the shore. Let your breath be your anchor. Imagine yourself standing in a quiet forest. The trees are tall and still. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting golden light around you. The air smells like pine and earth. You are safe here. In your hands, you're holding a small bag. Inside this bag are all the anxious thoughts you've been carrying all of your life. The what ifs, the should haves, the weight of worry. Now imagine walking up to a stream that flows gently by. The water is clear and calming. You kneel down, open the bag, and begin to let each worry fall into the water. One by one, watching them drift away. The stream carries them gently, lovingly out of sight. And just like that, they are no longer yours to carry. Breathe in peace. Breathe out, release. Inhale. Exhale. With each breath, feel yourself becoming lighter, calmer, more grounded. Now bring your attention slowly back to your breath. Back to the gentle rhythm in and out. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, ever so gently. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you. Remember, you can return to this place of peace anytime you need, my friend. always here, waiting for you. Inside your breath. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May you move through your day with ease, grace, and a quiet strength within you.